Many people don't relapse in one moment. They relapse days, sometimes weeks, before they ever use again. It starts with small compromises, ignored warning signs, and no plan in place. That's why recovery isn't just about quitting, it's about building a relapse prevention plan. Today, we're going step by step on how to create one. 1. Identify your recovery goals. First, ask yourself, why do I want to stay sober? Your goals need to be bigger than just not using. Maybe it's restoring family trust, getting healthy, keeping your freedom, saving money, finding peace. When cravings hit, goals remind you what's at stake. 2. Create your abstinence plan. Be clear and specific. What substances or behaviors are you leaving behind? Write it down. I will not use alcohol. I will not misuse pills. I will not return to criminal behavior. Vague goals create weak boundaries. Clear decisions create strength. 3. Manage risky situations. Recovery means knowing what can pull you back. Risky situations may include old friends who still use, stress and conflict, parties or bars, loneliness, getting paid and having extra money, certain neighborhoods or routines. You don't just avoid danger, you prepare for it. 4. Know the warning signs. Relapse usually gives signals before it happens. Watch for signs like isolating yourself, lying or hiding things, romanticizing past use, increased stress, skipping meetings or support, poor sleep, anger or depression, saying one time won't hurt. Catching warning signs early can save you. 5. Prepare your prevention plan. Now, gather your tools. Write down emergency contacts, healthy distractions, support meetings, motivational reminders, safe places to go, positive routines. Your plan should be ready before temptation comes. 6. Create a 72-hour plan. The next 3 days could change everything. Ask, what will I do for the next 72 hours to stay strong? Example, attend one meeting, call one support person daily, exercise each day, remove triggers from home, stay busy and accountable. Short-term wins build momentum. 7. Make a 1-week plan. Then extend your vision. For the next week, set daily wake-up times, meal prep, work or job search, therapy or counseling, church or support group, family time, fitness goals. Structure reduces chaos. Chaos feeds relapse. 8. Build an emergency plan. What if cravings hit hard tonight? Know exactly what to do. Leave the risky place immediately, call your support person, go to a safe location, drink water and breathe, distract for 30 minutes, review your reasons for sobriety. A clear emergency plan can stop impulsive decisions. 9. Safeguards against using or reoffending. Put barriers between you and bad choices. Examples: block toxic contacts, avoid carrying large cash, delete dealer numbers, stay away from criminal environments, use accountability apps, share your location with trusted people, keep your schedule full. Make relapse harder to reach. 10. Practice daily disciplines. Recovery is built in small daily habits. Daily disciplines may include prayer or meditation, journaling, exercise, reading recovery material, gratitude lists, healthy sleep routine, honest check-ins. What you do daily decides who you become. Recovery doesn't happen by accident. It happens with preparation, structure, and action. Don't wait for the next temptation to make a plan. Build your relapse prevention plan today. Comment, "I'm prepared" if you're serious about protecting your recovery. Like, share, and follow for more freedom-focused content.